how you going? I hope everybody's doing well and you're taking care of yourselves out there. So I'm here with Buddy. Say hello. Yeah, say hello everyone. Yeah, kiss. Mwah. Yeah, hello beautiful boy. Have you been good today? Yeah? You been good boy? Can I have a kiss? Mwah. I love you. Yeah, you're trying to see what I've got behind me, aren't you? Yeah, I got some cold pineapple for you out of the fridge. You want some? Yeah? Mom get you some? Hey? Yeah, I got some cold pineapple. You want some? Yeah, which bit do you want? You can help yourself. You don't want any? Yeah? Yeah, you can help yourself. Or do you want me to give it to you? Alright then, hold on then. Hold on, my little sucker boy. Yeah. I've got you, my little sook boy that wants to be hand-fed. And I have my little man out there who's been very good, I must say. Oh. It's juicy, isn't it? Yum. Is it nice and cold? Yeah. Is it nice and cold? Yeah, yum. Yeah, are you licking it off me? Yeah. You're licking it? No, that's biting me. No bitey. Good boy. It's cold. Yeah. Is it nice and cold on your beak? That's better. Good boy. He's sucking all the juice out of it. Yeah, he's sucking all the juice out of it. It's my beautiful boy. That's nice, isn't it? It's nice and cold. Yeah. I'll leave my hand there so in case you drop it. Oh. It's nice juice, isn't it? Nice cold pineapple juice. Delicious. Yeah. It's beautiful, isn't it, my baby? He's such a good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Oh, I'm flicking it everywhere. Yeah. I'm flicking it. Hey, you got a big bit. Is it nice and sweet? Yeah, nature's candy. Yeah, nature's candy for my beautiful boy. Good boy. Hello, beautiful girl. Yeah, how are you? Would you like some? Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, you know what to do. You put it in the bowl, didn't you? So you can suck all the juice out of it. Oh, hang on. Hey? Did you put yours in the seed bowl? Yeah. Is that to make it easier so you can get all the juice out of it? Yeah, hello baby girl. Hey. Yeah, you're clever, aren't you? Yeah, you're a clever girl. That's it. You're holding it by yourself. Yeah, my beautiful big boy. That's the way. Yeah. You're a big boy now. You're starting to get your big ring. Yeah. Well done. You've got a few bird seeds on there. Hey, you're mixing it. Hello, my beautiful girl. Yeah. Hello. You're not too fussed with it, darling. Oh, you tired? You're tired? Yeah. tired, my baby girl? Yeah? You're so beautiful. Yeah, you have a little sleep then. Hey? We'll try some out later. Okay, my baby. Yeah, I love you.